Did you know that some paintings crackle over time, not because of age, but due to the artist's technique? This phenomenon, known as craquelure, occurs when layers of paint dry at different rates. Imagine a masterpiece with a hidden secret, revealing the artist's hurried brushstrokes or experimental methods. This crackling effect can even help art historians date and authenticate paintings, offering a glimpse into the artist's world. Next time you see a crackled painting, remember, it's not just old, it's telling a story. Like, comment, and subscribe for more art secrets.